Welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate image using AI Node. And we're going to do this manually. So I'm going to choose a manual step, but obviously for you, you have a lot of events and triggers available from Salesforce to Monday, all the way to DocuSign to Google to NetSuite. So first thing first, I'm adding this and I can tag this whatever I like, but that's not that important right now. What is important is which AI this is going to do it. So we have AI menu, which you can click on. And then from there, the feature is called image generation. I'm going to go ahead and select it and click insert. Now, straight away, it's going to ask me for a prompt. And like I said, this could be a prompt that you get from your other automation as well. But in this time, I'm going to put it manually. And my prompt is, please generate a professional headshot of a male avatar named Joe Blogs. And there are two options available for the image size. You can do 1024 by 1024, or you can do 512 by 512. I'm going to choose 1024 for now. And then I'm going to go ahead and close this. And the reason why I chose Joe Blogs is this. I'm going to actually push this to Salesforce, where the object is going to be create, and where I want to be pushing it is actually into the file section of Joe Blogs. He doesn't have a professional headshot, and this is kind of a good use case to explore with this one. So choose create. I'm going to choose ContentVersion like this, and then I'm going to insert node. Now, once the node is inserted, there are a couple of things that have to be done. First of all, we have to add title. In this case, it's for Salesforce. Next is version data. Next up, we want to make sure it's linked to the right person, which is first published location ID. And then finally, we will also do path on client because we have to make sure that the title is consistent. So image name is going to be Joe Blogs headshot. And we can copy paste that directly here as well. In version data, this is important. When you go to the image generation at fields, this is what's outputting the file. So you need to click on the image generation menu, and then the sub menu under at fields is generate an image. And you will simply drag it. This is the file or the image that's going to get pushed. And finally, it's going to ask for where do you want to publish this? In this case, I wanted to do Joe Blogs, so I'll take Joe Blogs' ID and enter it directly in here. And that's really about it. Now, once this is closed, I'm going to go ahead and save. And you may go ahead and publish live. In my case, I'm just going to go ahead and debug the draft version just to show you how it works. So it's going to go through the process, and then the image generation is going to kick off shortly, where it's going to read my prompt. AI is going to generate the image. And once the image is generated, it's going to push to Salesforce. And it looks like we've had a success. So we head over to Salesforce. You'll notice that over here, there will be a new file or image. And there it is. Let's go ahead and download this so I can show you what it looks like. It's going to open on my second screen, and I'm just going to drag this file over. And this is what the image looks like for Joe Blogs. Pretty cool. Now you can have automated avatar images generated and pushed to any of your CRMs or storage, and all generated using AI.